Uh, Today I'm going to show you some butterfly knife tricks that I've learned. Right here, all I got is a Tiger USA butterfly knife. It ranges for about 25 bucks. I bought it today for like 15. These tricks, I learned them in just a few hours really. It's just some basic tricks. The first one I'm going to do is, well, really I don't know the names of the tricks, but you start out holding your bite handle where the sharp end of the blade is. You're just going to, hold on, messed up. Just going to flip it, and it opens, closes. Second one is just like it's a basic twirl really. You just do it like that. You do the same thing to close it. And then like the trick that was really hard for me to learn, this one's really not a beginner trick. And you gotta watch because you'll end up cutting yourself. But it's, hold on. Sorry about all the mess ups. I haven't played with butterfly knife in forever. But you just twirl it, flip it, flip it again, and open it. Didn't miss that. Just cut myself. Like it's dropped the knife. Sorry, but open. This is just your basic open and close. And then like another really easy beginner trick is it's the latch drop. I know the names to a couple of them, but like you're gonna take the latch, hold it in your hand, and you're gonna flip it, the knife comes up. And you do the same thing with close it. You hold the latch in your hand, flip it closed. But these are just some really basic tricks, and anybody who likes butterfly knives, will probably know these tricks. Keep updated. I might post some more videos of some new tricks I learned, maybe do some tutorials on some of the tricks that I've learned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.